Hey guys, Chris here from Easy Car Care. Everything you need to know series. We're going to be covering Deflector Shield today, which is a spray and rinse sealant, and we'll start right now. Guys, what is Deflector Shield? Deflector Shield is very simply our spray and rinse sealant that can be run through a lance, which is a hell of a lot faster than doing it by hand and trigger. What the purpose of it is very simply to create a bond to the paintwork that has a hydrophobic barrier that protects from natural dirts and soils. Dilution ratios, very simply, is 10 to 1 with this product. That means 100 ml of Deflector Shield in your lance with 900 ml of warm or cold water. It doesn't matter the temperature, and that'll give you the most effective results and kind of bang for the buck with this product. Guys, the correct way to use this is very simply put a thin layer of foam, cover all the panels of the car, and let it dwell 3 to 5 minutes approximately. Doesn't need to be perfect, but anywhere between 3 and 5 is usually the right amount of time. Pressure rinse off, because the pressure rinse off after 3 to 5 minutes is going to help this product bond to the actual paintwork of the car. That's going to help overall in terms of protecting on a long-term basis for 6 to 8 weeks. Bit of an added value tip, guys. Decon beforehand will help the bonding to the paintwork with this product, so you can do it panel by panel with trigger and spray nozzle. You can do it that way. We don't necessarily recommend it over the lance, but either way is fine. But if you're going to do the Decon beforehand, it would help with the bonding. Bit of an extra tip. Guys, a couple of little mistakes people get wrong with this product is very simply not letting the product dwell long enough on the car. People seem to spray it off in a minute or two. It's not long enough. We basically recommend 3 to 5 minutes, as mentioned earlier on in the video, but 3 to 5 minutes is about the appropriate time it needs to dwell and come off the panel work over that period of time. One other little thing which I'd like to mention is very simply having the foam too thin. We want an even layer of foam, and even though we've said to have a thin layer of foam, but make sure it's thick enough to make sure it clings and bonds to the paintwork. So don't do it too watered down. That'd be one other tip, guys, and that's it. Guys, that covers everything you need to know about Deflector Shield, our spray and rinse sealant. Let us know in the comments below as to any product you want to see in this series, and we'll be more than happy to make that for you. Cheers.